So my phone, my daily driver that I was using for editing the videos, all of the videos that you've seen on this channel, it died like 2 weeks ago. So I wasn't connected to the internet for the past few weeks, and yeah, it sucked. But I didn't have a lot of money. I was saving up to buy a proper flagship, but I hadn't gotten there yet. So I settled on a new phone that launched this year. This is the Samsung A17, the first impressions. So in the box, there was just the phone and the cable, the SIM ejector tool, and a manual, and that's it. They are very minimal these days. They just give you the bare minimum, no power brick. So I might have to buy a new one very soon before I go back to school. So for specs, this phone has an Exynos 1330 chipset, 128 gigabytes of storage, and unfortunately 4 gigs of RAM. But on the RAM side, you can turn on RAM Plus, which uses storage memory to provide virtual memory. It's on by default, so that's a plus, I guess, because this phone has, yeah, as I said, it has 128 gigs of storage, and it takes a while to fill it up. I don't think I will fill it up. Then the phone itself, it launched this year, and it came with Android 16. It came with One UI 8, which is based on Android 16, and I managed to update it to One UI 8.5, and now I'm waiting for the new One UI 9, which is based on Android 17. It should be coming. It should be getting pushed to lower end mid-range phones by the end of this year or September, I think. The last thing is the cameras. The cameras are just decent, as you can already guess from this price point. The main camera is a 50 megapixel camera, and by default it shoots 12 megapixels. And there's also a 5 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front camera is a 13 megapixel shooter, and for video, both the rear and front cameras we get up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is expected at this price point. So all in all, this it's a solid phone. I haven't quite gotten to the point of making a review yet, but it's a solid phone. It's been working fine for the past 3 days. I bought it on Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today is Tuesday, and it's been working fine. It's not overheating, and it's a new experience because I'm coming from a 6-year-old, 7-year-old phone, which was kept at Android 12. So the UI, the experience is new, and I'm loving it for the time being. So I think that's it for now. I'm still testing this phone, and if you want to see the full review for this phone, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.